beautiful people, welcome back to my new vlog. सबैजनालाई सन्चै हुन्छ होला अब पनि सन्चै आएर छु हामी चाहिँ अहिले बस पार्कमा छौँ मोटो ब्लग सुटरमा हामी यो रोड चाहिँ अगाडि जाँदैछौँ क्या यो रोड देख्नुभयो यो कस्तो दामी छ हात देखाएको है फेरि मोटो ब्लग is starting 3, 2, 1 let's go. My stand is like duplicate, okay. Look, this is the heaven place from when we arrived to Sarangkot. But the road is small, but there is sceneries, okay. Yeah, there is a small road and we still have to be aware while driving in this road, okay. We should not make overtake from town to town. All the way from Gardara, I'm arrived from Sarangkot. I think this uncle is having to race with me. Why? Look at this scene, guys. There is no scene right now, but we can see the hill. There is a landslide coming. Oh, eagle. Damn. I love the dog so much. I like puppy. Why? Almost accident. Oh my god. Almost accident. The car is not doing horn. Please do horn, okay? The place is not coming. I think the place is all the way from down of the Sarangkot, okay? But in the Sarangkot, there is a beautiful place to go to visit and blah blah. In this place, we can see the beautiful Himalayas, hill. Yes, okay. Wait. There is a landslide in the front. Oh, I got to put this on, okay? Hey, what happened? What happened, bro? What do you want to eat? Oh, there is Gardara. Oh, just look at the sea. Look at this valley. From this place, we can see this. This is. I want to see this, and I come just down of the Sarangkot, okay? We can see the Himalayas, the hills, beautiful scenes. We can click the photo. We can see the different hotels to stay here, like Himalaya front, Annapurna homestay and cafe. And this is gonna best. Only 20 speed, then I will have 40. I break the rules. Mama will cutting the shade. Okay? And we can see the Belgian hotel. Oh, sorry, come on. I'm staying the making vlog, and from the back side the car is coming and he horn me and I let him go. There is a landslide happening. Yes, landslide. What is boat telling? Sabdhan agadi bato bhasiएको छ. Wait. Guys, हरुले चाहिँ अब त्यस्तो के नसोच्नु होला. Today is not only motor vlog, okay? I don't want to make anything special, but today is only motor vlog, so don't forget. Girish is not showing the face, and you should not want to see my face. Blah blah blah. Okay? From here. No. This is not good. There is a not good place. Like landslide. Yeah, fix. I fix. And this is also the ghost hotel, but the man is coming here and make a book side villa room and administration. Like some word is having difficulty speak because like accommodation, inspiration, like computer, like message. Like this is the word that we can not tell while speaking is not good, okay? But I think this road is having small one. When I travel long, the road is coming like close. Woo! मैले के भनेको यो जति म अगाडि बढ्दै गए त्यति बाटो सानो हुँदैछ भनेको मिल्यो नि त नि. Damn. Today is only the motor vlog. You guys are having enjoy. Please like the video. From here, there is only the 3 kilometers to arrive down of the Sarangkot. So I should go from this road and going to the Metlang. Yeah, this is gonna be a cool, okay? I will travel from this road, not this side, on this side, and we can go this way, and we can see this beauty. Only 3 kilometers is arrived from here to go to Sarangkot mountain lawns. Okay, only 3 kilometers, so 2 kilometers, only 2 kilometers. So I should travel from this road. Next time I will go to the stop of the Sarangkot and make some moto vlog, not moto vlog, make some facial vlog. Oh my god, what I'm speaking. This is not a landslide, guys. You know, this is not a landslide. Oh, you can see the beautiful scene from here. I will wait. I still haven't wait. I am traveling from there and I see this road. This is landslide, but this is not a road. This is the way to make a road to connect there. Okay, you can see so many dana. One of the beautiful place, while traveling, is known as Maitlang, and second place is gonna Sarangkot in this area. Okay, but one of the best places is gonna Lakeside. Okay, there is so many foreigners coming, like so many people are coming at night and enjoying club, blah blah blah. You think that Girish is not showing a face, but I will showing from face little. My brake is not working. My brake is not working. Okay? My front brake is only working. Not backside brake is not working. Why? Look, this only the front is working. The backside is not working. It's gonna be difficult to travel. Oh, oi. के भएको? Abhi? My backside brake is not working. No chance. No. Wait. La यार. कन्ट्रोलमै छैन त स्कुटर. अब के को इंग्लिश बोल्नु हो? पछाडीको ब्रेकै लागेको छैन क्या. अनि यस्तो हिँड्नु पर्छ. हैन आन्टी? आन्टी र हाँस्छ त यार. पछाडीको ब्रेक नै लागेको छैन यार. ला यार म के गर्ने यार, ब्रेकै लागेन यार. पछाडीको ब्रेकै लागेन यार. हेर्न. Yeah. People. This is called manner, okay? This is called manner, okay? This is called manner. I like it. This is called manner. I am traveling here, but they are crossing the road. This next side over there. I do some clean environment. It's there. I will stay here and capture this video. Oh my God! Look at that! Look at that! This is the lakeside. This is the lakeside river. Okay. My brake is not working. But I still have to travel. I still have to go on home. My brake is not working right now. के को इंग्लिश बोल्नु? मेरो ब्रेकै लागेको छैन. मेरो ब्रेकै लागेको छैन हेर है. यहाँको त वर्कसपहरु छैन ला यार. म के गर्नु हो? कसरी घर पुग्नु हो अब म? ब्रेक नै लागेको छैन यार. मैले स्पिड हान्नु लाग्दैन हेर है. यो हाने नि अगाडिको मात्र लागिरहेछ के. अगाडिको मात्र लागिरहेछ के. कतै वर्कसपहरु नि नरहेछ यार. के हैन मेरो पछाडीको ब्रेक जाम भयो जस्तो छ क्या. लाइक त्यो मैले रेस दिँदाखेरि पछाडीको ब्रेकको साउन्ड आइरहेछ कि घ्या गरिरहेको छ क्या. मेरो पछाडीको ब्रेक लागेको छैन. म अब कसरी ट्राभल गर्ने हो यहाँ? गाइस नो हेर्न यी नालीको साइड जान्छ त यार. के भएको? अब त्यही हो. अब पछाडीको ब्रेक लागेको छैन. दिस इज द सोल्युसन कि अब नालीको साइड चलाउनु नै एउटा सोल्युसन हो. हुन त अब एउटा सोल्युसनै हो नि. अब पछाडीको ब्रेक लागेको छैन. यति सुस्तरी हिँड्दाखेरि अब पक्कै 2 घण्टा घर पुग्छ. अनि केही अथवा केही कमजोरी हैन भन्नाले अब अगाडिबाट केही गाडी साडी आयो भने यसो नालीतिर हाल्दैन त ब्रेक रोकिन्छ. अब त्यही त सिचुएसन. नाली चलाउनु पर्ने भएको छ यार. हैन लागेकै छैन हो. यो पछाडीको ब्रेक हो कि के हो यो यार? लागेकै छैन यार. अनि कसरी घर पुग्ने अब? हेर्न त्यो अगाडिकोले ओइ त्यो अगाडिकोले ओइ ल यस्तो नि हुन्छ. म योबाट यो लेन कटेर आएको ब्रेक नलाएर डर लाएर के. यो गाडी त आइहाल्यो नि देख्यौ. अब मेरो उपाय भनेकै नालीको कुना चलाउने हो. यस्तो ब्रेक नलागेको क्या. हैन यस्तो सुस्तरी गयो भने त गाइज हैन पक्कै 2-3 घण्टा पुग्छ होला. हामी अर्को कुरा गरौँ हैन. अब त्यही हो गाइज अब हजुरहरूलाई के कस्तो लाग्छ गिरिश भ्लग होइन अब सब्सक्राइब हान्नु होला थुदिनु त देखाएन कि आज मोटो भ्लग मात्र गरिदिएको बोरिङ फिल भइरहेको थियो जाडो भइरहेको थियो घाम सेकाइ पनि खाइयो अब घर पुगिन्छ होइन अब घर पुगिन्छ ब्रेक बनाउनु पर्ने भयो ब्रेक लागेको छैन अगाडिकोले मात्र लागेको छ बरु यो डोजरको अगाडि हालेर होइन टक्कै यो होइन स्कुटर होइन यो डोजरको अगाडि हालेर चाहिँ अनि डोजरसँग जानु पर्ला जस्तो सोचिरहेको छु यार के गर्नु भने यस्तो हुँदैन लागै छैन हौ ब्रेक अब यो ब्रेक लागै छैन हौ लागै ओइ के भएको आवाज लागै ओइ के भएको आवाज लागै छैन के हेर्नु डराइ क्या बुझिनौ बुझिनौ रे ल गाइस त्यही हो अब मिठो नमिठो कुराहरू त मैले गरिहालेँ अब मेरो पछाडिको हेर्न लगाइज अब आजको लागि यति नै है ब्रेक फेल भयो क्या अरे पछाडिको लाग्दै लागेको छैन कि अगाडिको मात्र लागेको छ हेर्नु होइन हजुरलाई ढाडे जस्तो लाग्यो होला गिरिसले ढाडेको छैन कि हेर्नु होइन ओइ हाट यार म त भिडियो बन्द गर्छु यार गाइस ल आजको लागि यति नै होइन अब नराम्रो नमान्नु होला हजुरहरूलाई भन्दा त धनै नालीतिर झाकिदिएको आजको भ्लग यति नै थ्याङ्क यू सो मच फर वाचिङ दिस भ्लग अब किनकि ब्रेक लागेको छैन अब यो अगाडिको यस्तो लगाएर यो पछाडिको छोडेर सुस्तरी यो वेमा है यो वेमा जाँदैछु ओके नो प्रब्लम एन्ड थ्याङ्क यू सो मच फर वाचिङ दिस भ्लग लाइक एन्ड सब्सक्राइब टु द च्यानल मेरो मुड पनि बिग्रिरहेको छ कि त्यही भएर मैले आफ्नो फेस पनि नदेखाएको हो मेन रिजन यही हो है ल है त थ्याङ्क यू सो मच हो सब्सक्राइब गर्नु होला युट्युब च्यानलमा 4 दिन ग्याप भएको कारणले मैले भ्लग दिनु हो सब्सक्राइब